Okay, today's video, money stories, how Kaelin and Brandon made millions. Today's agenda, early life, career, achievements, and the lessons learned. Early life, started their business career in network marketing for a health and weight loss company, which is where they originally met and got married. After a number of years, decided to branch out alone, but faced difficult financial times in the beginning with no income. They were behind on their rent, car payments, and more. So their career, as I said, working with a network marketing company originally for about 4 to 5 years, which happened to also be in the health and weight loss niche, which gave birth to the idea of them doing it themselves. Kaelin Poulin went on to personally lose 65 pounds in 7 months and earned the IFPB Pro Card Award for International Federation as a bodybuilder. So she actually went ahead and lost a lot of weight herself. Then she went on with her husband to start up Lady Boss, which was founded in 2014 with just $1,000 to help women lose weight, providing the best information, products, and services on women's fitness. So achievements. Did you know Lady Boss became and was chosen for the Inc. 500 list as the 4th fastest growing company in the US. In 2018, Lady Boss generated $29 million in revenue. And Lady Boss served over 175,000 women in 2018 and was successfully sold to ClickFunnels in 2022. So as you can see, that company that they started did very well, and they were actually able to exit that company. So what's the lessons learned from this? Take the leap of faith. Kaelin and Brandon stepped away from their comfortable position as network marketers to pursue their business dreams. Had they not taken that leap, they would have been unable to build the business that they did and only would have served as helpers of somebody else's business dreams. So the action items for today's video. I want you to write down one problem per day. So this could be anything that you notice in your day-to-day activities when you're going about your life. If you notice a problem, I want you to write down the problem somewhere. This could be in your phone, on a journal, in a notepad, whatever, on a piece of paper, tissue, whatever. You have to send a WhatsApp message with it. Just write down the idea of a problem that you've discovered. Step 2, I want you to brainstorm one solution for this problem. So let's say that you notice a problem. I want you right next to it now to just off the top of your head, think of or brainstorm a solution for that one problem. It doesn't have to be the perfect solution, but just a solution. And then 3, I want you to execute this idea with whatever resources you have. So it doesn't have to be the first one, but I want you to try and execute on some of these ideas that you've created from these problems, because all it takes is one, because you're only one great idea away from being on the Forbes list. And as usual, like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment below, and I'll give you my 2 cents.